All right, everybody, we're now gonna go for a ride in our 1961 Ford Galaxie Starliner. What's really nice about this car is it is an X-Code car, 390 tri-power, has that very nice aquamarine blue/teal. As you can see, they also painted the dash in the same color, which is very pretty. And other than that, it still has its original features, its original AM radio, original wheel. Another surprising thing about this car is that it does have manual steering, not power steering. So back then you didn't really have to go to the gym because your car was so hard to turn. And of course this car is the size of a boat, so it made it twice as challenging, but very fun. Other than that, it's got stock rally version wheels painted also the same color. It was really restored to have a classy look. It has a really clean bench seat, all the door handles, everything is there. Very clean underneath and not as powerful, but still grabs a lot of attention. Of course, this is the kind of car you'd see a secret agent drive. Anyway, we're gonna get her turned around, put her on the lift. Let's take a look at the underneath. Stay tuned.